Welcome to Great Life Zone. Are you having a tough time in your relationship? Perhaps most of us do have a rough phase in a relationship sometime or the other. However, one must know when enough is enough or when to draw a line and stop trying. In other words, you should know when to end a relationship. Should a relationship come to an end? No matter how hard one or both the partners may have tried, yet their relationship does not work. Let us accept the hard fact. There can be some unworkable relations which somehow can't succeed. When to end a relationship? If one or more of the following is true for you, it might be worth re-evaluating your relationship status. Number 1. You feel unwanted, insulted, hurt on a regular basis. Over a reasonably long period of time, you feel that you are not being respected or appreciated. There can be many specific variations to this broad problem, such as your partner doesn't communicate with you. Another situation could be that your significant other is too controlling. This may be totally unacceptable behavior, as you want a caring and loving partner rather than a tough boss or a controlling parent in that person. In both these cases, the crying need is the status of equality and a person you can confide in and take advice, and vice versa. Number 2. Abusive relationship. Worse than these could be a situation where you are regularly subjected to verbal and or physical abuse. Please do keep in mind that as an individual, you are the only one who can decide how you will and won't let yourself be treated. Number 3. Love-hate relationship. You are in a relationship or you are married, but you are not sure if you are enjoying the relationship. You don't know if you are just bearing each other to be together or tolerating each other to be together. Love-hate relationships is like running on a treadmill. You are running and burning so many calories, yet you are going nowhere. You are at the same place where you started from. Try to answer for yourself. Is it better to continue the entire life like this, or would you be better off to let this love-hate relationship go? We recommend that you also watch our other video, Why Have a Love-Hate Relationship? Number 4. You have been cheated and lied to. Absolute trust and unquestioned support are the pillars of a successful relationship. But what if after a long time you find that your spouse or partner has kept hidden from you some very pertinent information all this while, and it is now threatening to blow up the foundation of your relationship? Some common examples could be: a relationship is going on in parallel, a marriage in the past and you were not told about it, an unmentioned child, large debts that must be eventually paid out by combining your financial resources, past criminal record, an inheritable disease or potential dangerous mental state which can flare up anytime, any crucially important and serious act or behavior or event in the past which has been hidden from you by your partner might be unacceptable. Number 5. Regular fights. Both of you or one of you have reached a stage where it is becoming increasingly difficult to tolerate each other's presence or habits. The differences in habits or thinking have become totally intolerable, and it leads to constant arguments and even nasty fights. No more is anyone interested to intelligently and calmly talk about it to sort them out. In fact, even the kids or neighbors now know the timings or schedule of your fights? And how long will it last? How will it end? By somebody banging the door shut and driving away, etc. Of course, you have tried previously to address the issue, and yet nothing has changed. Number 6. Mutual trust is being replaced by mistrust. He is not the same man you knew at the start of the relationship. There is every reason and enough evidence with you to believe that he is hiding quite a few things from you. Why does he come late at night? Why does he not share his office or business schedule openly? And why doesn't he trust you anymore with his briefcase or laptop or other papers? Relationships are built through trust, and if he is hiding things from you or lying, clearly you can't trust your partner anymore. For a man to get your love and attention needs to be trustworthy and honest. Is it a signal to end the relationship? Well, if you identify yourself in any one or more of these situations, it is a sure sign to consider ending the relationship. To conclude and disclaimer, every relationship has ups and downs. Marriage or relationship is tough to pull along pleasantly for one partner alone if the other partner could not care less. It is all the more reason that you have to work at it through good times and bad, both. It's hard and trying, and there is no doubt about it. Rarely it is advisable to the unhappy couples to end their relationships. I like to impress upon them that eventually we gain more by remaining together, loving and supporting each other. There is a need to cultivate the habit of looking at the persons, surroundings and circumstances in the right perspective and lovingly. The energy of love and togetherness is necessary in the life of each one of us to make the decisions that serve us best. However, I have not supported clients who have not received anything but negativity over the years, despite giving best support and time for the other person to mend his or her ways. So if you think that you are in a one-sided relationship, then you might want to reassess things. For more information and in-depth reading on the subject, you are welcome to read the detailed article on our website, and the link is given in the description box below. Please do share and like this video. We would love to see and respond to your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video till the end.